Today we're going to make a guitar melody. This is a clip of me making a smooth guitar melody. It's just beautiful, bruh. This is just like a really vibey cook up. Me cooking up a guitar, felt super inspired. So make sure you watch the whole video because I got a surprise insert in there for you. So make sure to check out the whole video and let's just dive right into it. Let's get it. Counter melody. Record. I was just like improvising shit. Woo! That's all we need. That's all we need. That last one, I'm telling you. Little insert. I hope you're enjoying this cook up. The melody is available in the link in the description, and I'm going to go live and listen to what you guys made with the melody and do like a little beat contest around it. So make sure to turn on post notifications and follow me on Instagram. Let's get it. Melody. Let's pitch this. Compressor. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Also tag me in your story what you made with the melody, with the sample, and I'll repost everything. I'm gonna go live on YouTube and check out the beats there, so make sure to turn on post notifications and follow me on Instagram to not miss out on that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.